friends, coming to you today with a really quick and inexpensive patriotic table decor. I would call this halfway original because I remember as a child my mother had some elastic ruffles around her candles, and that was just part of that country decor they had back in the 80s. Well, this is kind of similar to it and kind of my take on it in the 21st century. But what you're going to need is one of these cylinder candles. Dollar Tree sells them plain, but other dollar stores sell them. You may just have to peel off the religious symbol or Mary or whatever wrapper they have on it. Dollar Tree always has these seasonal scarves, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, so keep that in mind that this idea could be made for any special occasion. And you're going to need a rubber band. So we're actually going to make two because my scarf is going to make two. What I'm going to make is basically a little pom-pom, elastic pom-pom to fit around the candles, and it just will make a cute table decor. So this scarf is 63 inches long, and I'm going to estimate, because I'm just going to eyeball it, I'm going to take it out of the package and flatten it out, and I'm going to cut about 50 strips, a little over an inch wide. So just take your scissors and cut your scarf all the way up till you get about 50 strips. This is something so easy, you could get the kids involved. I got my scarf cut up into strips, and all I did was fold the scarf in half, and then cut it, fold it in half again, and cut it, fold it in half again, and cut it. And then I finally got a strip that was about 5 inches wide, and then I just cut that into 3 strips. So it yielded me 48 strips total, and I split them up, so each candle is going to have 24 strips. But let me just show you, I just pulled out a couple of my strips, and look, they do not have to be perfect by any means. Some are even more jaggedy in this, so if you do let the kids get involved, it doesn't matter because it's just going to be like a big pom-pom. You're not going to be able to tell that these strips are cut jaggedy. Okay, now here's the simple part. You need one rubber band for each candle, and just find your rubber band that fits, that rolls up and down, because the fabric is going to end up making the rubber band a little tighter. And you're going to just take your strips and tie it on your rubber band, all 24 strips. There's no right or wrong way to tie it on there. Find out which way. You could use a slip knot or just an over and under knot. And I think I'm going to keep it simple and just do an over and under knot, just like you're tying your tennis shoe. Take your rubber band and your strip, find the middle part of your strip, over and under, and tie. You're going to fill this rubber band up, and then you can just slide your little knots all the way down till your rubber band is covered. Once you get all your strips tied on there, don't forget to cut off the little tag of your scarf. So here is my rubber band covered in my strips. I'm just going to pick it up and show you that that's what it looks like. You could trim off those uneven edges, or if you like them kind of jaggedy like that, that would work too, whatever look you're going for. I will tell you that the scarf does shed a little bit, so just keep that in mind. You might need a little sweep afterwards. So now you're basically going to slip this over the candle. And you could have several different looks. You could have it up high if you want the whole candle covered. I want mine about a third of the way down. And I'm going to style it a couple ways to show you some ideas. All right, here's look number one. You could just leave it as is and have these little strips bloused around the candle, just like that. You could anchor the whole thing on a paper doily and then tie some red ribbon. Or you could put some silver stickers on the outside of the candle. All those are easily found. You have a bigger table, place it on top of a big red bandana, and then you've got a big red, white, and blue centerpiece. If you don't have a red bandana, look through your Valentine and Christmas decor. I flipped a Christmas placemat over, and it's the perfect solid red. I took a index card with a star punch and made my own little star scatter. And if you don't have a star punch, ask around. You may have a friend that has a star punch, or you might even find some little stars to stick around there. How cute is that? So I hope some of these inexpensive ideas will inspire you to dress up your kitchen table or maybe your outdoor patio table with a little patriotic decor. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.